this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got a 99 Ranch branded Jjamppong. This is most likely made by Paldo Vina over in Vietnam, and it's definitely for the U.S. market. I think 99 Ranch is only in the U.S. market. It was founded by a company from Taiwan called Tawa, T-A-W-A. They've got their own distribution. They are a powerhouse. They're a powerhouse. Very hard to talk to these people too. I've reached out to them. I've tried to say hi. I'd love to do something with 99 Ranch Market. They enabled me to access. Oh, come on. I lived next to one for a few years. And that's when I really restarted my whole instant noodle reviewing thing. I started and I stopped and I played around with it from time to time, but living next door practically to an Asian supermarket really was key to making it completely go into super levels of wonder and happiness. So thank you to 99 Ranch Market for the wonderment and the happiness over the years. That's where I got my mung bean sprouts and my fish ball. Now I get my Naruto maki there. I'm really stoked they got that. I've been buying stuff at that store for years. And of course, instant noodles. But yeah, that's the place I like to go. Definitely the place I like to go. I mean, granted, there are other places I like to go, but as far as Asian instant noodles go and stuff to go with them, that place tends to be pretty darn good. The one thing, though, I really only have one complaint, and it's this. I would like to be able to go get, what do you call it? Tofu puff. I'd love to be able to get tofu puff there, but I can't. And the reason being, whoever makes the tofu puff for them, they don't put dates on their packages. And more than once, I've gotten, like, garbage tofu puff there. It's got to have a date on it, folks. Without a date on it, I ain't buying. And I would love to buy from 99 Ranch. I have no problem with that. But I just got a problem if they don't have a sell-by date or anything. So I don't use them incredibly often. I'm not a big super user of those, but when I have the need for those, I like to have the need. I really like to have the need for tofu puff. Let me just put it that way. Usually Malaysian, Singaporean varieties definitely will call for that. Curries, obviously. Oh yeah, it's 10 a.m. and this is the third one I'm doing today. I might do another one because I ordered this shirt, right? And it's a green t-shirt. I.e., I will use it and do an episode where I'm see-through. That's the plan. I don't know how well it will work with scallion, because that'll try to make that see-through. But we'll see. I think it'll be interesting. I'm dying to try this. It was like a $13 shirt on Amazon. I think all said and done with tax and everything, it was only like 13 bucks. It's freaking cheap. But it's what do you call it? They're calling it Kelly green. So yeah, it'll be weird. I won't have any. It'll just be basically like I'm wearing a t-shirt, but you can see behind me. Because what I'll do is I'll just do a shot of behind me, and then I'll do an episode make my shirt transparent and just have the background be another layer of what's behind me. So it should work out really well. But yeah, that's called chroma keying. I don't use Premiere. I use Premiere Elements. Mainly because Elements is really quick and dirty and it does everything I need it to do. Crash is enough, but maybe that's something I need to get too, is the new version of Premiere Elements. I saw something that Premiere Elements now has AI added to it, and I don't know in what capacity. I need to look into that more. That would be nice. I really am a proponent of the usage of AI, as I've espoused in other episodes of the show. So, yeah, cool stuff. Dos, uno, eee! Alright. So here we are with our piping hot pot of jjamppong, and I'm kind of worried because... Here, sorry, this is going to make you dizzy. This one doesn't want to get tight either. Alright. I am not getting the smell like in the otogi jjamppong. The otogi jjamppong is like absolute... It sings. It's got this smoky flavor to it. This smells like French fries. We'll see. I bet it's good. I mean, Paldo makes some mean stuff. Paldo Vina? We'll see. This might be more akin to like noguri that Nongshim makes, but Paldo does a lot of private label. They do. I think most of these companies in Korea do. They see a market, they go for it. Mm-hmm. Noodle's good. There is our spicy seafood broth. This hits me as more of a noguri kind of clone. And I don't know why any company wouldn't be trying to emulate what Otogi's doing. Because that one, oh my god, really. It is jinja. God, that was a variety that Nongshim put out that I absolutely freaking adored. It was like pork and peanut, and it was so amazingly good. And it was they did have advertisements, but there was a pair that have a show in South Korea called Kultwo, and I guess they're kind of like an odd couple type deal. Anyways, they did ads for it. They were pretty funny. This one, I think I have to espouse the wonderment of the this. Cheese in ramen is definitely something wonderful. But being a seafood variety, I'm going to use all the seafood I have on hand. I'm going to use fishball. I'm going to use some of this. By the way, I should mention that fishball came from 99 Ranch Market. So did this fishball. The fishball, the Naruto Maki, which I'm really thankful they've got that now, because that's like, it just adds to the list of things I can just pick up at one place. I really appreciate that. Of course, the mung bean sprouts were, whoa, come on there. What are you doing? Behave. Those are from there. Spring onion, no. I don't get them there. I like the ones at my local grocery more often than not. Sometimes I really don't, but I generally go for the ones from there. Maybe a little more. My daughter is watching YouTube. And then crushed red pepper. Oh, and we can't forget our little friend, the incredible edible egg. Uh-oh. I think that works. What do you think? I don't care. I don't care what you think. Actually, I do. I like your comments, generally. Sometimes not, but generally I do. There we are. Third one of the day, and it's just about time for my wife's break, so we're gonna chat it up. So there you go. All right, well, thanks for watching. Yeah, that's going to be post number 4,972, 28 away from review 5,000. Still trying to figure out what I'm going to do. Honestly, I'm probably going to have to skip it and like go back and then do the actual number 5,000, but we'll see. Maybe somebody will come up with a great idea and something I can access, and I'll do it to it. But yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day for a long time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.